nga ba ang kaibahan ng boost post sa Facebook ads? Hi, this is Lean and I'm giving tips for those people who want to start their business and for those people who wants to boost their sale. Number 1, pag sinabi nating boost post, you can boost your post that is already on your page or it will be shown to a wider audience. Facebook ads, this is not limited to promoting your existing post and pwede ka rin mag-create from scratch para ma-customize mo yung audience mo na hindi mo pa nare-reach. Number 2, when it comes to targeting options, ang level of customization ni boost post ay limited lang. While si Facebook ads naman, it allows you to a more precise targeting strategy para ma-target natin ang right people for your business. Next is the ad creative customization. Si Boost Post ay limited lang ang kanyang paggawa ng ad creations. Hindi ka pwedeng gumawa ng carousel, hindi ka pwedeng gumawa ng iba't ibang creative various options. While kay Facebook ads, with Facebook ads, you have a greater flexibility and you can create a lot of ads. You can choose from various ad formats such as image ads, carousel, video ads, and slideshow ads. This allows you for more creative and visually appealing for your advertisement. Your placement control. Si Boost Post, sa placement ad control, it automatically promotes your post in the news feed on both desktop and cell phone or mobile devices. And you have less control over ad placement. While, pag nag-Facebook ads ka, you have more control over ad placements, allowing you to choose a specific ad placements. Halimbawa, including mo dito yung Facebook feeds, Instagram, audience network, messenger, and a lot more. Well, kung may natutunan ka sa video na ito, don't forget to like, share, and comments para mas ganahan pa akong gumawa ng video na katulad na ito. Happy sharing, everyone!